Hi, my name is Paul Tiffin, and I do scale model airplanes. So, anyway, I'm going to show you my collection. Over here is my Lockheed U-2 Dragon Lady. That is the U-2 spy plane. This plane is pretty famous. It was used in several films, including Bridge Too Far or whatever it was. Anyway, it was flown by the pilot Francis Gray Powers, who was on a reconnaissance mission over the Soviet Union, and he was shot down. And when he was trying to bail out, he activated the self-destruct panel, but he never was able to hit the self-destruct switch. So when the plane crashed, it was still intact. So the Russians were able to get their hands on it. But anyway, down below is my Heinkel HE-111. It's a German bomber. Would have been used over in the Battle of Britain and other fronts. And then over here is my Junker Ju-52 transport aircraft. Pretty neat looking, but yeah. And then down below is my Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird right here. So yeah, and it's actually the world's fastest aircraft in the world right now. And then down below that is my Tornado, and next to that is my Eurofighter Typhoon. It's a European airplane. And over here are my McDonnell Douglas F-101 Voodoo. And next, that was the Delta Dagger, or Delta Dart. No, Delta Dagger. That's the F-102. And then next to that is the F-106 Delta Dart. And then and then down here is my F-15 Eagle. And next to that is my General Dynamics F-16 Flying Falcon and the Thunderbirds. And then next to that is my McDonnell Douglas F-18 Hornets and the Blue Angels scheme. And then down below that is my MIL Mi-24 Hind and the East German military. And next to that is my Sikorsky UH-60 Blackhawk in the United States Army. And then right down here, my Sukhoi Su-25 Frogfoot in the Soviet color scheme. And next, that's my Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. And then down here is my Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk. And then next to that is my Fairchild Republic's A-10 Thunderbolt II Warthog. And then up here is my Republic F-105 Thunder Chief. Next to that is my Lockheed F-104 Starfighter. Over there is my F-100 Super Sabre. And over here is my B-25 Mitchell. There's my Boeing Stearman Model 75 stunt plane. And over here is my Cessna 172 Skyhawk and the Irish Air Corps. And down here is my North America T-6 Texan. Right here is the Messerschmitt Bf-108. Over here is my Northrop P-61 Black Widow. Down here is my UH-1 Iroquois. My Boeing AH-64 Apache. And over here is my Bell AH-1 Cobra. Down here is my McDonnell Douglas AV-8B Harrier II. Right here. And then MiG-21 fish bed, and then Northrop F5 Freedom Fighter. Over here is my A7 Corsair II. Here's Douglas A4 Skyhawk and F8 Crusader. Down here's the North America F86 Sabre. And here's my Grumman A6 Intruder. The Douglas A1 Sky Raider. Now here's my favorite part of all my model collection. My F4 Phantoms. Those are my pride and joy right here. So yeah, these are my all favorite airplanes. And this is a new one right here that I just recently did. Okay, and then up here is my Douglas C-47 Skytrain. Look at all those figures. I had to paint all these. And then next to that is my PBY-5 Catalina. Okay, and next to that is my B-24 Liberator. And next that is the B-17 Flying Fortress. There's the little more of the crew figures. Okay, and then down here is my Supermarine Spitfires. And then over here is my Messerschmitt Bf 109. In North America, P51 Mustang. And then over here is my largest model, my B29 Super Fortress. That's my ME262 German jet. Massive model. There are the figures. And then here's the front, here's the nose art. And here are the two bombs. Little boy, fat man. And there's my FW190 Junker Ju-87 Stuka. Republic P47 Thunderbolt. Heinkel Hawker Hurricane. And the Lockheed P38 Lightning. And down below, the Mitsubishi Japanese Zero. Corsair. The Val. Aerocobra. Dauntless. The TBF Avenger. Kingfisher. P40 Warhawk. Hellcat. And the Kate. And then finally at the very top, F-18 Super Hornet. Next to that is the MiG-29 Fulcrum. Over in my two F-14 Tomcats. And my F-15 Strike Eagle. And finally, my Sukhoi Su-37 Flanker F Terminator. So those are all the model airplanes. And what got me started in the model airplanes was 6 years ago on my birthday, September 28, 2017, me and my family went to eat at the Downwind at the Peachtree Cab Airport. And after we ordered our food, my sister brought me my gift in a average size box. And when I opened up that wrapping paper, when I opened it up, it was a scale model. And it was the scale model of this right here. This was the first. This is not the exact first model, but this was the first model, but not the original one I did. But it's the same model, B25 Mitchell. But anyway, yeah, Brittany, when she handed me that box, when I unwrapped that paper, I was like, oh wow, that's something totally new. I was like, to tell you the truth, I wasn't much into doing model airplanes, but you know what? I gave it a try. But after that, for 6 years, I've been doing scale models for 6 years. So that's kind of how it got all started. It was on my birthday. On my birthday, 2017. I was 27 years old when I got that first airplane. So anyway, I'd like to leave a little message to my sister. I'm glad you did that. I'm glad you got me into doing model airplanes. I really appreciate if you didn't. I don't know what I'll be doing right now, but anyway, I'll sign off, and there you go. Bye.